Disasters can strike suddenly and leave behind a trail of devastation. Recovering from such events is a monumental task. It demands immense resources, coordinated efforts, and unwavering resilience. In recent years, a powerful ally has emerged to aid in this critical mission. Artificial intelligence, AI, with its ability to analyze vast datasets and learn from patterns, is revolutionizing how we approach disaster recovery. From assessing damage to rebuilding infrastructure and supporting communities, AI is transforming disaster recovery into a faster, smarter, and more efficient process. This technological revolution is not simply about rebuilding what was lost, it's about building back better, creating more resilient communities, and fostering a future where disasters have less impact on humanity. This essay will delve into the many ways AI is reshaping disaster recovery, highlighting its potential to create a safer and more resilient future. In the immediate aftermath of a disaster, understanding the extent of the damage is crucial. Traditional methods of damage assessment, often relying on manual surveys, can be time-consuming and dangerous. AI is changing this paradigm by enabling rapid and accurate damage assessment using aerial imagery. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras can swiftly survey disaster-stricken areas, capturing detailed images of the destruction. These images are then processed by AI algorithms that can identify damaged buildings, infrastructure, and even estimate the number of people affected. AI can also analyze satellite imagery, providing a wider perspective of the disaster zone and aiding in the identification of areas needing immediate attention. This rapid damage assessment allows for a more targeted and efficient allocation of resources, saving precious time and potentially lives. Efficient resource allocation is paramount in disaster recovery. AI is proving to be an invaluable tool in optimizing this process. By analyzing data from various sources, AI algorithms can predict resource needs, identify potential bottlenecks, and optimize supply chains. This ensures that essential supplies like food, water, medicine, and shelter reach those in need as quickly as possible. AI-powered logistics platforms can track the movement of goods, anticipate shortages, and reroute supplies in real time, ensuring a seamless flow of aid. Furthermore, AI can assist in managing financial resources by analyzing budget allocations, identifying potential cost savings, and flagging potential fraud, ensuring that every dollar is used effectively. Section 4. Building back. Smarter AI for resilient reconstruction. Reconstruction efforts after a disaster should not just focus on rebuilding what was lost, but on creating structures and systems that are more resilient to future events. AI is playing a critical role in this endeavor by enabling the design and construction of smarter and safer buildings and infrastructure. AI algorithms can analyze historical disaster data, weather patterns, and geological information to identify areas most vulnerable to specific types of disasters. This information can guide the design of buildings that are better equipped to withstand future disasters. Furthermore, AI can optimize building layouts and material usage, making construction more efficient and cost-effective while ensuring the safety and durability of structures. Section 5. Connecting communities. AI for enhanced engagement. Effective communication and community engagement are vital during and after a disaster. AI-powered platforms are enhancing these efforts by providing real-time information dissemination, facilitating two-way communication, and gathering valuable feedback from affected communities. Chatbots, for instance, can provide 24/7 support, answering frequently asked questions, providing updates on relief efforts, and directing individuals to appropriate resources. These AI-powered assistants can handle a large volume of inquiries simultaneously, freeing up human responders to focus on more complex tasks. AI can also analyze social media feeds and online forums to gauge public sentiment, identify emerging needs, and tailor relief efforts to address specific community concerns.